when you're using this, it's very important that you pair with crude kenakol. Crude kenakol definitely will help to prevent stretch marks and green veins and all of that. You want to pair with crude kenakol. Crude kenakol is very, very important if you're pro-mixing with this cream or if you're using this cream at all. Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, please subscribe to my channel and turn on that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload videos like this. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you learned something from this video. A lot goes into making these videos just to enlighten you guys, and it will mean a lot if you subscribe and like my content, okay? And if you're looking for products to use, you want to know more about a particular product, hopefully this is the place where you get all that information, because I from time to time review products, tell you the do's and don'ts, things that are buzzing and what you should look out for. And as well, I drop recipes and products from time to time, also do trainings and all of that you will get to know when you dive more into this channel, okay? So let me not waste any more of your time and let's go straight into this video. I want to talk about a particular cream. A lot of people have mixed feelings about this cream, but I'm going to tell you my personal opinion about this cream. And this is the 72 hours cream, okay? It's written in French, but you can see that it is 72 hours in English, double action, lightning with fruit acids. A lot of our creams that are made in Africa have a lot of fruit acids in them, and that's what makes them work really fast. It has a little bit of English on, so let me read. The Lightning Beauty Lotion 72 hours double action with AHA eliminates and treats efficiently complexion. You guys, English is always terrible. Basically, it will remove blemishes and protects your skin against sun rays. That's not true, Nene. And stay perfectly clear, healthy and bright. Apply daily on your skin for efficient results. Use twice a day. The ingredients here are water, vitamin E, salicylic acid, almond oil, paraffinium, propylene glycol, glycerin, so many things, okay? But basically, let me tell you what this cream is about. So for a lot of pro-mixing, use this base. It is effective. When I say effective, it is very effective for pro-mixing, but there are buts to using this cream. So if you're using this cream alone, I would say don't use it morning after evening. Use it once a day, maybe every 2 days, because it's a very strong cream, and it's very thick. So it's very thick base. It's moisturizing. You wouldn't need to add oil to this cream. Most of our creams from our neighboring African countries are very thick. They are creams, they're not lotions. They are very thick and very moisturizing compared to the creams that come from the US and all other countries. They are not as thick as our creams that come from this other side, because generally lots of us have dry skin, so we want moisturizing creams, but those ones that come from the other side, they are not as moisturizing as this. So let me continue talking about this. It's a very good base, okay? But with this cream, you might notice dark knuckles. Now, skin types do vary. Some people notice dark knuckles when using this cream. All right. So if you're using this cream, you definitely want to have something for your knuckles on the side, because it will cause knuckles. For some people, it causes knuckles. Some people say it gives them stretch marks. I can't really say it does. But skin types do vary. Or like I said, if you're using this every single day, you might notice those things. But if you use it every 2 days, every other day, you might not notice these things. The secret to using most of these creams is that for something that tells you within 72 hours you're going to see effective results, you don't want to abuse it. You don't want to use it every single day. You don't want to, because that's where all those problems come from when using this product, okay? Now, when you're using this, it's very important that you pair with crude kenakol. Crude kenakol definitely will help to prevent stretch marks and green veins and all of that. You want to pair with crude kenakol. Crude kenakol is very important if you're pro-mixing with this cream or if you're using this cream at all. With this cream, you can add a concentrate or something, but it's already very strong on its own, and so it's very strong on its own, and so you might not necessarily need to put in so much. But for you to get that nice glowing effect from this cream, of course you want to add some concentrates, some serums to just lighten it up a bit, because it's very thick, so just lighten it up a bit and still give good results. Okay, but in terms of efficacy, it's very, very effective. For pro mixing, it's a very good base. For pro mixing creams, it's a very good cream generally on its own. Just put in something that's going to help to neutralize the harshness of this cream, and you would enjoy using this product. Okay, yes, you will see results from as early as 3 days, but doesn't mean that it's going to make you white in 3 days. You will see results as early as 3 days. So this is how it is. As you can see, it's very, very thick, like it's a base cream. It's very, very thick. It smells very nice. I like the way it smells. I don't know, these creams, I like the way they smell. A lot of people say they can't stand it, but me, I can't stand them. It smells very okay, very, very okay in my opinion. I've definitely used out of it to mix creams. It's very okay. I got this for, hey, I am not too sure, maybe one something, 3K at most. Yes, I think that 3, not one, no, it's not 1,000 something, up to like 3K for this cream, if I'm very, very, if I can remember. Yeah. But yeah, it's up to that. It's a good base. It's a base. You need to actually, using this alone, very thick. You need to actually lighten the consistency of this cream. Okay. But yeah, overall it's a very good cream. If you're a beginner, someone who's starting out, you can use this, but just use with caution, because for someone who's starting out, you don't want to start out with something that is very, very strong, so you might want to like dilute the potency of this. For someone who's already started, this is going to be very okay for you. All right. Another thing, when using creams like this, a lot of people talk about dark knuckles. If you want to prevent dark knuckles, generally when you apply your creams, when you finish applying your cream, it's already taken. Apply your cream on damp skin. Of course, if you're not applying your cream on damp skin, I don't know what you are doing, but apply your cream on damp skin so it absorbs nicely into your skin. Then when you finish, your skin already takes what it needs. Every other thing is just a memory. When you finish, you wash your hands, and you will notice that you're not going to be having dark knuckles. All right. But if you need a solution to your dark knuckles, I have a video. I will link it somewhere up here that works great for dark knuckles. All right. Or you can search for dark knuckle recipes. A little dark knuckle here and there is not going to hurt anyone as long as you are treating it. All right. So that is all for this video. If you have any questions regarding this product, please leave them down in the comment section below. I hope I really covered everything I wanted to talk about this cream. But if you feel like you need more information, leave them down in the comment section below, and I will see you in my next video.